From Sindh to Finland, how Mashal made it happen. In the heart of Sindh, in the city of Hyderabad, a young girl had a dream. Not just any dream. A dream that would take her from the banks of the Indus River all the way to the snow-covered landscapes of Finland. Her name is Mashal Zulfiqar. Mashal completed her Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from one of Pakistan's most prestigious institutions, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology in Jamshoro. Like thousands of talented Pakistani students, she was brilliant. She was hardworking, but she needed an opportunity that matched her potential. She found it at the University of Oulu in Finland, one of Europe's leading technology universities, and she earned a full-fee Waiver scholarship for her master's in software engineering. But this journey was not easy. Applying to European universities from Pakistan requires perfect academic records, strong motivation letters, research proposals, language preparation, and financial documentation. Most students give up before they even begin. Mashal did not. As a headmistress who has spent 30 years in Sindh's classrooms, I have seen thousands of students. Brilliant minds sitting in classrooms with no electricity, no computers, no guidance. Mashal's story proves one thing: your zip code does not determine your destiny. A girl from Hyderabad, Sindh, is today studying at a European university on a merit scholarship. This is not luck. This is preparation meeting opportunity. Here is what every student and parent must know. First, research early. University of Oulu offers multiple scholarships for international students. Most Pakistani families never know these exist. Second, your CGPA matters. Maintain above 3.0 throughout your degree. Third, start your motivation letter 6 months early, not 6 days. Fourth, apply to multiple universities. Mashal's success came from persistence and preparation. Fifth, find a mentor, someone who has walked this path before. If you are a student in Sindh watching this, Mashal's story is your story too. If you are a parent watching this, your child deserves this chance. At Educating Futures, we believe every child deserves a future. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video with one student today, because the next Mashal might be watching right now. I am Razia Salangi, and we are just getting started, lighting the way through education.